Hey everyone, it's Dan from The Food in My Beard. I'm at TFIMB on social media, and welcome to my kitchen. It's fun to host you here once instead of always being in the Mass Appeal kitchen. The way I've been cooking lately is I'm inspired by a combination of what I'm craving and what I have, and that's how this recipe came about. Today I'm making pickle pancakes, and they're inspired by Korean kimchi pancakes. So to start, I have a pickle here, and I'm just going to dice it up. And like I said, this is inspired by a Korean pancake. I just thought the pickle would work because it has the same sort of sour, tart elements that kimchi would have. And it's been fun because a lot of people were inspired by this recipe, and people have been making it online a bunch and sending me pictures already. So I think if you have these ingredients and you want to make it, make sure to try it at home and send me a picture or tag me. Cool, so in the bowl I just have flour right now, and I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch to it. Then I'm just going to put in the pickles that I just cut up. You might be confused by the flavor idea of a pickle pancake, but I guess think of when you get fried pickles at a restaurant. It's kind of the same idea as that, honestly. Right here I have pickle juice and a little bit of rice vinegar. And I'm just going to stir that up. And this looks perfect. If it's a little too thick, you can add water at this point. But that's exactly what we're looking for, a pancake batter texture. And while I'm here, before we go over to the stove, I'm also going to put together the sauce. I have a little bit of mayo here. I'm going to add a little bit of rice vinegar, some soy sauce, some sesame oil, sambal chili paste, and that's it for now. I wanted the dipping sauce to be sort of Asian inspired, to be like a callback to the original kimchi pancake idea. I'm just going to preheat the stove, and I'll meet you over there. I get this pan preheating here, and I'm just going to add a little oil to it. And then add the pancake batter here. Spread it out a little bit. The cornstarch is going to be keeping this sort of gummy right now, almost keeping it together, so you should be able to spread it out without making a hole in the middle. We just want this to get crispy. The cornstarch is also going to help it be crispy. We want it to be crispy before we flip it, get both sides, and then we can serve it up. All right, we ready for the flip? Got it. If you guys aren't replanting your scallions right now, this is something that has saved me several times when I need it for a recipe and we're out. These came out awesome. They're nice and crispy. They have that sour pickle flavor with the little tartness and the little bit of heat from the sauce. Really suggest making these for a nice little appetizer snack while you're at home with your family. Thank you, Mass Appeal, for having me virtually, and you can follow me at TFIMB.